Did you know that silent inflammation might be silently harming your body, even if you feel perfectly fine right now? Many common health issues, from nagging joint pain to serious heart problems, often have a hidden root cause: chronic inflammation. But what if I told you that a powerful solution might be sitting right in your spice rack, waiting to be discovered? Today, we're uncovering 4 powerful spices that can naturally fight inflammation and boost your health, helping you live longer and feel better. First, let's understand inflammation. It's your body's natural defense system, rushing to repair damage or fight off invaders like bacteria. Think of it like a fire alarm. Acute inflammation is a quick, necessary response to an injury, like swelling after a sprain. But when this fire alarm stays on constantly, even without a real threat, it becomes chronic inflammation. This silent process can damage healthy cells and tissues over time. Chronic inflammation is linked to serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even certain cancers, slowly eroding your vitality. The good news is, you don't need expensive drugs to fight it. Many natural remedies, especially common kitchen spices, hold incredible power. Our first anti-inflammatory superstar is turmeric, the golden spice renowned for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its healing properties. Its magic lies in a compound called curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that blocks inflammatory pathways in the body. Incorporating turmeric is easy. Add it to curries, stews, or make a soothing golden milk with warm milk and a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Next up is ginger, a zesty root known for its warming properties and ability to soothe many ailments, from upset stomachs to muscle soreness. The active compounds, gingerols, are powerful anti-inflammatories that can help reduce muscle pain, joint stiffness, and even combat nausea effectively. Enjoy ginger in teas, smoothies, stir-fries, or even grated fresh over your salads for a spicy, healthy kick. Our third secret weapon is cinnamon, not just a sweet spice for desserts, but a powerhouse of antioxidants that can do wonders for your health. It helps reduce inflammation throughout the body and can even improve blood sugar control, which is crucial as high blood sugar fuels inflammation. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, coffee, yogurt, or add it to baked goods for a healthy and delicious boost without extra sugar. Finally, we have cayenne pepper, a fiery spice that brings more than just heat to your dishes. It brings powerful health benefits. Its key compound, capsaicin, is famous for its pain-relieving properties and ability to reduce inflammation, making it great for joint and muscle discomfort. Use cayenne sparingly in savory dishes, marinades, or rubs. A little goes a long way in igniting your body's anti-inflammatory response. So there you have it. Turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. 4 simple yet mighty spices that can transform your health. By incorporating these natural wonders into your daily diet, you're taking proactive steps towards a life with less pain, more energy, and lasting vitality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to 100 Health Notes for more wisdom, and share it with someone who needs this natural boost. Here's to a healthier, happier you, fueled by the power of nature.